Candidate number 7 from the Municipality of Concepcion, John Percival.
To Aquino the Night 2024.
Chapter begins. What an unforgettable night it has been. As the critics draw to a close of the Riyadh pageant, we are filled with gratitude and awe for the incredible journey we have shared together.